The professional course in Advanced Microscopy, also known as PCAM, is first of its kind long-duration professional training program in advanced research microscopy, jointly designed and delivered by Ashoka University and ZEISS Academy Microscopy. This course is designed for students, researchers, and professionals aspiring to learn the science, technology, and applications of microscopy across biosciences, physical and material sciences, and other interdisciplinary fields. PCAM comprises about 300 hours of intense learning that spans across 12 weeks through a hybrid format, combining live online sessions, classroom lectures, and hands-on laboratory training. The upcoming iteration of the course, PCAM 2026, introduces dedicated project-oriented training, enabling a broader and deeper investigative learning in microscopy. PCAM is tailored for PhD scholars, master's students, engineering graduates, and professionals whose work involves or may involve advanced microscopy techniques. The course comprises of an in-depth curriculum delivered by an exceptional faculty from leading universities, research institutes, and global industry. PCAM offers a strong foundation in the physics of light and waves, microscope design and architecture, imaging principles, and advanced microscopy techniques in both light microscopy and electron microscopy, ensuring conceptual clarity alongside technical competence. Hands-on laboratory training forms the core of PCAM, with immersive sessions conducted at the Ashoka ZEISS Core Imaging Facility and the Sophisticated Analytical and Technical Help Institute at IIT Delhi. Learners gain direct access to state-of-the-art instrumentation and hands-on training on diverse microscopy technologies such as confocal, wide-field, light-sheet, super-resolution, scanning electron microscopy, and transmission electron microscopy. The course also introduces image processing, data analysis, good laboratory practices, and microscopy facility management, skills that are increasingly essential across research disciplines. Delivered through a carefully designed blend of classroom instruction, laboratory training, online sessions, and expert interactions, PCAM reflects both academic depth and industry relevance. Students receive full support for accommodation, travel, and dining during the program, made possible through the CSR initiative of ZEISS India. This support extends beyond the course through mentorship, internships, and access to further opportunities. Ashoka University and ZEISS Academy Microscopy invite you to join the professional course in advanced microscopy to deepen your expertise, enhance your research, and build a career in microscopy. PCAM empowers you to see, explore, and learn beyond.